Time is ticking for your moment to shine. We have audition videos pouring in from around the world. Only 4 will be chosen to live their dream out into reality. Battling Reality, Exposing All True Hearts TV series coming to a city near you. Talent scouts will be searching your area for stars of the new season of Breath. Send in your best audition video of your favorite character from film or book to www.hiccupeffect.com. And remember, for one weekend and one weekend only is when you turn the ordinary into extraordinary. One breath at a time.
Oh, we so have to do this. Come on, Jubilee. I know you're in. You've got that tangled look about you already.
Oh, Margot, you hate mice and fire. You should just be Cinder Girl and get it over with.
It's like the fog has lifted. Novelle, are you listening? We're gonna be famous.
Oh, and I see who's oh so Bella beautiful about books.
So it's settled. We're gonna make our audition videos for the Breath show.
My hand, but I must go and make it on my own. I know that you will understand, for your mother's melody will bring me home. So set me free, you're like God's sweet. Just wait and see, and I'll make it through. Dancing in your life, I'll be dancing in your life.
My Novelle, and I like reading books and going on the woods and seeing bears in them. No, I don't like bears. I like horses and riding horses, painting and drawing books. That's what I want to do. I need some water. Damn, I like cat.